Okay, we're live, and I am going to be doing a screen share, but this part of the photo here, I'll hide that in a second. But this is video one, so I thought that was quite nice to at least show the face to the voice. So we'll get started. I just want to show, maybe it will take 2 minutes. I just want to show a really cool effect on PowerPoint, which is called the Morph. And this is like, if you're ever a beginner to PowerPoint presentations, this is like the best thing that you can learn. So when you're on your homepage and you go to transitions, it's the second one here, which is Morph. Now it's even got an outline of what you can do with it. So it says, to get the best results, duplicate a slide, move things around, and apply the Morph transition. Super easy, right? So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to insert a nice picture from my computer. So let's download here. I've got this really nice picture here. Very nice picture of a Mac computer and a cup of coffee. So maybe it's tea. Maybe it's tea. We don't want to judge too soon. So here we go. So I've got a picture here. All I've done here is lined it up, made sure it's in the center, so that if I decide, okay, I'm doing a presentation, this is how it looks. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate the slide. I'm going to move things around. But in this instance, if I just, for example, let's move it like sideways like this, right? I'll just show you how the effect works. You click transitions, you click morph. What it does is it automatically moves the picture. It knows that it's the same picture. So what this means is that you can create a really cool effect, really straightforward. All I'm doing here is I'm just zooming out to make the slide a bit smaller so I can see the image. And all I'm doing is I'm going to zoom in, right? And let's say if we can try and get it lined up so the laptop is in the center of the screen. What we can do is we get it like this. We apply the morph transition and you'll see it kind of zooms in like that. Let's make it a bit bigger. There we go. Okay, let's see how that looks. Maybe a bit bigger. How about that? Cool, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to insert some words. So let's go insert text box. We draw this. Welcome. Let's do welcome. And that's obviously very small. So we're going to make that a bit bigger. We'll make it central and we'll white the font. Make it a bit, let's make it bold, shall we? And let's make it a bit bigger. And all of the same formats are the same on whether it's on PowerPoint or whether it's on like Office, Word or something like that. So what we've done is just put welcome in. So then all we're doing here, we go from first slide, we move to the next, zooms in, says welcome. And that is the best transition you will ever see on PowerPoint. Thank you, good night. This is Pipt, P-I-P-T. I don't mind. Both ways of calling it this are both welcomed. Okay, adios.